Kilrush was one of the stopping points of the West Clare Railway, whose legendary tardiness inspired Percy French to pen the famous comic ballad, Are You Right There, Michael? Apparently, the railway management of the time did not take kindly to the composer's slight on their reputation, and they took him to court. The judge, however, saw the humour of the situation and fined Percy French the enormous amount
You've heard
of
of
1
Columbus
penny.
sailing across the Atlantical Sea, but he never tried to go railing from Ennis as far as Kilkee. You run for the train in the morning, the excursion train leaving at 8. You're there when the clock gives its warning, and there for an hour you'll wait. And as you're sitting in the train, you'll hear the guard sing this refrain. Are you right there, Michael, are you right? Do you think that we'll be there before tonight? You've been so long in starting, sure I couldn't say for certain, and we might now, Michael, so we might. They find out where the engine's been hiding, and it drags you to sweet Corofin. Says the guard back around down the siding, here's the goods from Kilrush coming in. Perhaps it comes in 2 hours, perhaps it breaks down on the way. If it does, says the guard, be the powers, we're here for the rest of the day. And as you sit and curse your luck, the train backs down into a truck. Are you right there, Michael, are you right? Have you got the parcel there for Mrs. White? You haven't, oh begorra, say it's coming down tomorrow, and it might now, Michael, so it might. Uphill the old engine is climbing, while the passengers push with the will. You're in luck when you reach Ennistimon, for the rest of the way it's downhill. And as you're wobbling through the dark, you'll hear the guard sing this remark. Are you right there, Michael, are you right? Do you think that we'll be home before it's light? Oh, it all depends on whether the old engine holds together, and it might now, Michael, so it might. Oh, it all depends on whether the old engine holds together, and it might now, Michael, so it might.
Miltown, Malbay is famous as a centre for traditional music and dancing. Musical instrument makers like this man selling bowrons are part of the local landscape. Feels good. Street musicians and buskers too are everywhere to be found. You're coming in. I might as well. Miltown prides itself on its vibrant street life. Visit any pub in town and you're likely to find yourself caught up in the excitement of a session. Traditional music is one of the few direct cultural links we have with the past in the west of Ireland. It reflects the spirit of the people today in the same way as it did in ancient times. The footprints of an older race are here, and memories of an old heroic time, and shadows of an old mysterious faith, so that the place seems haunted, and strange sounds float on the wind.